wiki.easyvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best pop-up mosquito nets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The goplus folding features a very small mesh that blocks out most kinds of insects, including tiny no-see-ums. The door panels can be opened wide for optimal airflow during the day, when there's less chance of bugs coming in. It comes with a supportive frame, however the zippers are flimsy and there are no tie-down points. At number 9, the kingcamp freestanding has a few handy features that not many other options have, such as an internal pocket for storing small items like keys or a cell phone, and a lantern hanging loop on the ceiling. With everything it offers, its low price makes it a great value. It's equipped with strong metal zippers, but it can spring open unexpectedly, and it's hard to pack back into the tote. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The Even Naturals fly screen is large enough for 2 adults to lie comfortably inside it, and features an entrance on both sides, so you won't have to disturb a sleeping partner if you need to use the restroom in the middle of the night. It can be placed over a pack and play, and includes a 100% money-back guarantee and an ebook with travel tips. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for pop-up mosquito nets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the easygo bug barrier can take the place of a tent on a camping trip, and packs down small enough to fit inside a standard carry-on bag. The heavy-duty floor is puncture-resistant, so you shouldn't have to worry about sharp sticks poking a hole in it. This one's extra long for tall individuals and accommodates a twin air mattress. It holds up well to lots of use. Moving up our list to number 6. The benefitusa multi-use can accommodate a couple of babies, one adult or a dog or two, depending on their size. Its strong polyester net is extremely difficult to tear, has a lot of minuscule holes per square inch, and allows for a decent amount of airflow. It features a sturdy fiberglass frame, 4 feet of headroom, and a simple setup mechanism. Halfway up our list at number 5. The under-the-weather meshpod is great for days on the beach or relaxing in the woods. It protects you from the sun on the top and from the rear, still leaving you with 270 degrees of visibility, and it's tall enough that you can comfortably sit on a chair inside it. It's equipped with 3 full-length doors and can be carried like a backpack, but some find the netting too dark. At number 4, the Juvale Portable provides you with a shady, bug-free place to lie down when outdoors. Since it has a full tarp bottom, you have the option of using it by itself or in conjunction with a cot. 4 stakes are included to prevent it from blowing away in a gust of wind. It comes with a storage bag, sturdy rip-resistant netting, and zippers that run smoothly. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The first baby safety canopy comes in crib and pack-and-play models that can help save your baby from irritating bug bites, whether he's indoors or outdoors. As an added bonus, it can keep your little one from getting stuck between the bars or climbing out. It's made with 100% BPA-free netting and safety ribbons to secure it in place. It's see-through from every angle. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for pop-up mosquito nets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the ollrear Home and Travel has the folding instructions on the exterior of the storage bag, so even if you lend it to somebody else, there'll be no questions about how to pack it down after use. Smartly, they put little loops onto all 4 corners as tie-off points. It sports attractive blue accents and entrances on 2 sides. It comes in king and queen sizes. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the sansbug one person weighs just 2.5 pounds, making it considerably lighter than a tent to take along on a camping trip, and it offers 6 linear feet of usable space to lie down inside of. It also features a completely waterproof tarp floor. This one can also protect against no-see-ums and folds up in seconds. It lets a lot of air flow through. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easyvid.com. Go there now and search for pop-up mosquito nets, or simply click beneath this video.